We're on a trip to Cape York and we found this great little spot here beside the river, and you know, I thought we'd stop here, have some lunch. And while we're here, I just wanted to show you this awesome bit of kit here from Clearview. Now this is called the Clearview Pantry. Right, so this is on a power slide. So I've got the pantry sitting on one of the Clearview power slides. So it makes it a bit easier, you know, electric power slide, drops down like that. Now I'm just gonna open this up. So this thing expands right out, so it's pretty cool. Gives you lots of, I suppose, lots of space there to do your prep, do your meal. All right, so I'm gonna grab some stuff out of the fridge here, so I'll quickly grab that. Need a bit of bread, some butter. There we go. I'll make myself up a sandwich. So basically, you know, it's got this little slide out section here, it's got the fold over section. Get this, look at this. It's got this bit here, even comes with the kitchen sink, by the way, so when we have to do the dishes, I might stick that out there. And in here, I'll grab a knife out. So this is the pantry area. So this is where you can store things like, you know, got some biscuits here and got some coffee. You wanna make some coffee? Ooh, what else is in here? Ooh, some noodles. Yeah, so there's lots of room in there. We can close that up, okay? That's a good place to store a cooker as well. They sits in there nicely. So basically for a roadside stop, quick sandwich on the go, mate, there's nothing better than the Clearview Pantry. Definitely will make the space in your canopy a lot more user-friendly. So I made myself a quick sandwich. I'm pretty quick on the sandwiches these days. Bit of lettuce there like that. So yeah, we'll make up a quick sandwich and get ourselves on the road. And to pack it up, watch how quickly we can pack it up. I'll eat that sandwich later, but I'll just show you how quickly we can pack this thing away. Have a look at this. Drop that down. Give it a quick wipe. That one slides in. This one slips over here like that. Now, see how it's all packed up? I can still access things in here, just in case I forgot something. Oh, I might have a cup of tea quickly before I leave. You can see there's a huge amount of space in there. You can fit all sorts of goodies in there. Like that. And then I set it back up, send it back up with the power slide, push her in like that. Lock it. Job done.